Hey Lucy, I'm looking at conditional probability now, and the question is, when do we know that events are independent or not? Okay, if we just look here, we know this already, but an independent event or independent events is when an outcome of one event does not affect the probability of another event. Okay, so independent events have this formula, and it's the probability of A and B equals the probability of A multiplied by the probability of B. So if we just look here, I've taken this sample question from page 120, okay, but I've just sketched it out here. So the probability of A intersection B is here. So that's the probability of A and B happening. Must equal the probability of A, this is A, multiply by the probability of B. This is B. Okay, so there's a total of 60 here. So if we add up this, and this, 60. So if I dip my hand in here, to this bunch of whatever people, well, first of all, what would the chances of me be getting this 8 people? Well, it would be 8 out of 60, wouldn't it? Okay, so 8 out of 60. And we can break that down, which would be 4 out of 30, which again would give us 2 out of 15. Okay, so the probability of me dipping in my hand and picking one of these 8 is actually 2 out of 15. Now, if this is independent, okay, so if me picking one of these does not affect me picking another one of these in the second event, well, then I know these are independent events. So basically, if these two multiply together gives me back this, I know that these are independent of each other, the A and the B. If, however, this multiplied by this gives me back something different than this, well, then I know they're dependent of each other. Okay, so let's see. Well, the probability of A, so here's A. So A is the 12 and the 8, which is 20 out of 60. And 20 out of 60 gives us 1/3. The probability of B then is the 8 and the 16, which is 24. So 24 out of 60, which is 4 out of 10, which is, break it down further, 2 out of 5. Okay, so probability of B is 2 out of 5. I'm going to multiply the two of them together and see what I get. So this one's 2 out of 15, and this one is 1 multiplied by 2 is 2, 3 multiplied by 15 is 15. They're the same. So that means A and B are actually independent of each other. So if I put in my hand and pick one of these, and then go in again and pick another one, they're independent. It doesn't, by choosing one, it doesn't affect the probability of getting the other. Okay, I just thought you might need a little bit of hand with that, because the book doesn't really explain it that well. I hope that helps. Okay? Any problems, get back to me, but it shouldn't be. Okay, so work away from page 20 onwards. Okay, thanks.